Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this numerical value type question was from chapter Rotational Motion. The question is, two disks of moment of inertia I1 equal to 4 kilogram meter square and I2 equal to 2 kilogram meter square about their central axis and normal to their planes, rotating with angular speeds 10 radian per second and 4 radian per second respectively, are brought into contact face to face with their axis of rotation coincident. The loss in kinetic energy of the system in process is how much joule? Now see here, in this question, two rotating disks are given to you. Their moment of inertias are also given to you, as well as their angular speeds are also given to you. And now these two are brought into contact face to face with their axis of rotation coincide. So in this particular case, what is the loss in kinetic energy that we want to calculate? Now see here, if you want to calculate loss in kinetic energy, then first of all you have to calculate initial kinetic energy and final kinetic energy. Then we can calculate the loss in kinetic energy. Now see, the kinetic energy of the rotating body that we can give by half I omega square. So initially, when these two are rotating, then we can say the initial total kinetic energy of the entire system, that is half I1 omega 1 square, this is for one disk, plus half I2 omega 2 square, this is for second disk. Now see, here I1 omega 1, I2 omega 2 all are given to you. So we can calculate initial kinetic energy. Now these two disks are coincided, right? Brought in contact and their axis is coincided. So in that case, the kinetic energy of the system will be half now moment of inertia of the system, that is I1 plus I2 into omega square. Now what is the angular speed in this particular case? That is not given to you, see, in the question. So first of all, we have to calculate this omega. Then and then only we can calculate final kinetic energy. Now see here, as per law of conservation of angular momentum, initial angular momentum of the system I1 omega 1 plus I2 omega 2, and final, that is I1 plus I2 into omega. Omega, that is the new angular speed. Now make omega as a subject of equation. So omega, that is I1 omega 1 plus I2 omega 2 upon I1 plus I2. Now substitute the values of I1, I2, omega 1, omega 2. And we get omega, that is 8 radian per second. Now, loss in kinetic energy, that is initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. Now, in this particular equation, substitute all the values of I1, omega 1, I2, omega 2, I1, I2, and omega. And then after solve this one, you will get the answer 24 joule. So we can say our answer, that is 24. Clear to all of you?